Whispers fall like water clear, flowing secrets you hold dear. In the mist that calm does grow, let your mind release and flow. Soft and gentle like a breeze, splashing tales among the trees. Dreams arise with every drop, in the quiet nighting stop. Underneath the sky so blue, water sings a lullaby true. Pools of thoughts in waves to blend, every ripple finds an end. Twilight dances on the stream, merging daydreams with a gleam. Cascading whispers in our ears, washing down our woe and fears. Underneath the sky so blue, water sings a lullaby true. Pools of thoughts and waves to blend, every ripple finds an end. Sparkling signs of nature's kiss, echoes in the cool abyss. Find your heart within its fall, hear the song of waterfall. Twilight dances on the stream, merging daydreams with a gleam. Cascading whispers in our ears, washing down our